so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Woo! Look at this! This is a fire department helicopter toy. Ooh, and today we're at the Los Angeles City Fire Department Air Operations. And let me tell you, I have a surprise for you! This is a real fire department helicopter! I am so excited to learn about fire department helicopters today with you! Are you ready? Let's go! Woo! Okay, now let's check out the inside of the fire department helicopter. Come on! We have to open up the door. Whoa, do you see in here? This, is the cab of the helicopter. Come in here. Whoa, there's so many cool things in here. First, let me show you the cockpit. Whoa, look up there. There's so many cool instruments, gadgets, radios. Whoa! Okay, for now, I'll show you the cab. Ooh, there's a lot of seats in here. See? I'm gonna go to this one. Whoa, hey! This seat has a seatbelt. I'm gonna put it on. All right, buckle up. Ooh, you see? I'm in this seat, and there's another seat. There's another seat. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's actually another seat in the back. Yeah, 5. You're sitting on it. That's funny. Whoa, look at this. Look at this giant backpack. There's a bunch of medical supplies in here. Whoa. This is what they take down to the ground to help people. Whoa, look at this light. Whoa! It's the color blue and it's shining on my face. So these lights are really dim. So then from there you can use your MVGs, your night vision goggles, and see at night so it doesn't blind you. Whoa! Whoa! This is a headset. Wow, you put it on your ears. And then has a microphone right here, but I have to plug it in first. Check this out. Get ready, listen. Whoa! Can you hear me? I sound funny. I'm talking through the microphone right now. Whoa! Flying in a helicopter! Okay, I'll show you more of that later. But for now, look at this. This, whoa, is a med deck. I can pull it out. It's nice and flat. Keeps the spine of the patient nice and flat. Okay, gotta put it back in here. Okay, there we go. Wow, it was so cool seeing the inside of the cab of the helicopter. Whoa, so many cool things. Whoa, what's this?
Blippi, this is our hook for our rescue hoist.
Oh, a hook on the rescue. Wait a second. Who are you?
I'm Pilot Sharif.
What do you do?
Well, today I'm the hoist operator on our air ambulance at the LAFD Air Operations.
Ooh, that's cool. Wait, what's in your hand?
This is called the pendant. It's what controls our hook. You can lower and raise it with this controller here.
Whoa, this is the controller of the hoist. Wow, can you show me all of this stuff in action?
I sure can. Would you like to try our hot seat? This is how we rescue people who really aren't hurt on the ground.
And a hot seat? I wonder what a hot seat is.
Well, our hot seat looks like a jacket. Go ahead and put your helmet on.
Okay.
And you already have safety glasses on, so that works.
Look, I'm wearing a white helmet.
This works just like a jacket. And it's a simple harness that allows us to bring you up into the helicopter safely without falling through.
Okay, so this is a harness that if I'm on the ground, you hoist down, or someone hoists down to come save me, right?
That's right, and they'll help you put this on just like this.
Okay.
And they'll connect you to the hook once you get down on the ground.
Okay.
We'll lower the hook down to you, and then we'll connect it.
Whoa.
When you're ready, we'll bring you up.
Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Whoa! Whoa! It's like I'm flying!
We'll bring you all the way up to the helicopter.
Okay.
We'll bring you in, and then Blippi will be safe.
Oh, cool!
Fly away.
Well, thank you so much for showing me this.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right.
It was nice to meet you, Blippi.
Nice to meet you too. Wow, this is so much fun. Hey, wait! Hey, wait a second! Come back! I'm stuck! Hey! Hello? Hey! Oh no! Whee! Inside the cockpit while the tug tugs the helicopter. Riding the helicopter. Okay, just to let you know, helicopters are at airports, and also airplanes are at airports. And if there's ever a problem at an airport, they have a big truck called a foam truck. Oh hey, look, there's a foam truck right over there. Do you see it? Yeah. Okay, so what foam trucks do are they spray foam and water out the front just in case if there's ever anything at the airport, like a fire. So what we're gonna do is show you it spraying water out of the turret. See? There's the first turret. Whoa! That's so powerful. Are you ready for the second turret? All right, here we go. Whoa! You see that? There's one turret. And there's two turrets! Wow, look at all the water! What they're doing now is landing, so then they can fill up the helicopter with water. Watch! Watch! Looks like he's ready. Wow! Look at how high they are in the air. Ooh! Where's he going? Whoa! Look at him dangling from the helicopter. Wow! Hello! Hey! One of them is wearing the color blue, and the other is wearing the color orange. My two favorite colors. Ooh, remember that? That's the hot seat. Okay, here he goes. Whoa! That looks fun. Whoa, hello. Wow, he just got hoisted all the way up into the sky in the helicopter. Wow. Shut the door. Woo-hoo-hoo! Now it's time to learn the exterior parts of the helicopter. Wow, what a big machine. Oh, hey, up here, this is the cockpit. This is where the pilot and the co-pilot sit. So then they fly the helicopter. Wow! Whoa! And back here, this is the cab. Yeah, this is where all the passengers sit. And this helicopter is so big that 14 people can be inside here. 14? That is so many people. Whoa. Oh, look at this. This is a spotlight. Ready? Yeah, also known as the night sun. This is used to shine so then everyone can see everything at night. Whoa, so bright. Ooh, and back here, this is a water tank, and you fill it up right here. Grab the hose. Bring on the water. Then this fills up with water, and then from there you fly over things. And you pour water on things like fires, so then you can save people. Wow, what a cool machine. Let's see what else there is. Come on. Whoa, look down there. Wait a second, what's this doing here? Huh, you know how some helicopters have landing skids? This helicopter has wheels and tires. Wow, that is so interesting. Huh, cool. Ooh. Whoa, wait a second. You've seen this before, right? Yeah, this is a number. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. The number 3. Wow. Oh, let's open this up. Whoa. Check it out. That's a cargo compartment. It's pretty dark in there. Come on. Oh, hey. Los Angeles Fire Department. Oh, they're pretty cool. Whoa. Wow, this is a horizontal stabilizer fin. It keeps the helicopter stable. Whoa, look up there. That's the tail rotor. Whoa. It's so high up there. And this, it looks pretty big, but in reality, that's the smaller rotor. But this one, the main rotor, come here. It is so big. You see it up there? Whoa. This main rotor has 5 blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Whoa, it's so high up there. Anyways, I was just trying to touch it. Whoa, look at this! The exhaust! Ooh. All the exhaust from the jet engine gets pushed out of there. Wait a second, I just said jet engine. Yeah, look! Whoa! That's the jet engine. There's 2 of them on this helicopter. One on this side and one on the other. This is where it produces all of its power. And one of the places that it uses its power is the transmission. Whoa! That is so cool looking up there. Oh hey, look at this. You see right here? This is where you refuel the helicopter. We won't mess with that. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Ooh, check out my sweet dance moves. Okay, anyways, look at this. This is the hoist. Whoa, it goes down, yeah, about 300 feet roughly. That is so much. So then it can save people by going. Thanks so much for learning about the exterior parts of the helicopter with me. Yeehaw! Now it's time for the Firefighting helicopter song.
Fires from the sky. It can stop those flames from getting too high. It can save the trees, save your home. It can even save your life. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Lots of water when it flies. Lakes and rivers are its water supply. It hovers above the burning flames and drops water from the sky. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Transport machines, red and white, for the firefighting team. Lion day and night. It's a transport machine. It's red and white, for the firefighting team. Lion day and night. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. It's a firefighting helicopter. It's a firefighting helicopter. It's a firefighting helicopter.
Whoa! That was so awesome learning about this fire department helicopter with you. Well, sorry to say, but this is the end of this video. So, sure I'll see you around. Bye-bye!
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!